The YJACK FLOW Wireless Anemometer by YJACK is the HVAC technician's must-have. In this video, we'll cover the setup and use of this product and its capabilities with the YJACK VIEW app. The YJACK FLOW Anemometer comes with the accessories necessary for measuring duct air, to set duct balances, and to verify that airflow meets the manufacturer's specifications. The protective case contains an 18-inch anemometer probe, which attaches to the YJACK handheld, as well as a duct probe adjustable magnetic holder. First, connect the probe to the handle. Align the red dot on the probe and handle for proper insertion, and slide the holder over the probe. An optional 36-inch probe is also available. YJACK part number 67082. To remove the probe, simply pull the silver connector outward and the wand will release. Now you are ready to use your YJACK FLOW Anemometer. First, let's measure duct size for entering it into the YJACK VIEW app later. This duct is 24 inches wide and 8 inches tall. In a pre-drilled 1/2 inch hole, insert the probe into the system duct with the arrow pointing in the direction of the airflow. Based on the distance for your first reading called out in the app, the instantaneous linear airspeed will display on the screen. You may also toggle between the units locally on the YJACK FLOW device. The units start with feet per minute. The next selection switches to feet per second. There's also meters per second, followed by meters per minute. Open the YJACK VIEW app and go to the main menu on the upper left of the screen. Select the anemometer session. Select the upper blue boxes and select available YJACK FLOW device. Press Save. Enter the duct dimensions into the app. This will bring up the current reading. The app will record readings for each position incremented in the duct and calculate an average for the report. To record a linear reading, select the Send button on the YJACK FLOW device to assign the current reading. This allows you to record the average flow for the service record report. Once all data is collected, the app will display the average air velocity. This has been a demonstration of the YJACK FLOW Wireless Anemometer, part number 67069. For more details, visit YJACK.com for product and customer support information.